Okay, so let's get started. Uyen. So, give me a few minutes. Okay, so by the way, Miss Jolie gave me like a material for us to use. So let's use that material that she sent me last night. Okay, here. Okay, so here, do you have a copy of this material, Uyen?
Um,
This is the one that Miss Jolie sent me.
yeah,
I, you have a copy about the one she sent, like learning a new skill, that one?
yeah, yes.
You
Uh,
have that one.
they,
Okay, okay.
they have sent me.
She has sent you. Okay. So, okay, let's start first with the topic here about part one or in the social interaction, Uyan. So our first topic here, Uyan, will be about traditional food. Okay, so same with what we had practiced last time. So try to answer and yeah, try to expand your answers. So let's start with our first topic about traditional food. So what is a traditional food in your country that you like?
Um, okay. S- um, repeat your question.
Okay, so again, what is a traditional food in your country that you like the most?
Okay. Um, in Vietnam has many traditional foods. I favorite with uh mm, I favorite sorry. Uh, okay. I favorite foods with um mm, let's see, stick it muted muted
Mm-hmm.
um see um in Vietnam has many traditional foods. I favorite noodle soup. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay, yes, thank you. So
because
next, yeah, because.
because yeah, because noodle soup. I often eat noodle soup in breakfast. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. It's helped me feel happy and
Yes.
mm, comfortable
Mm-hmm.
my uh, for my lunch. Yeah.
Yes.
Uh, start day. Yeah, begin a
Okay,
day.
yes. Mm-hmm. Okay, yes, thank you. So next question, Uyan, is we have here, do you think it is important to preserve traditional cooking methods?
Uh, please repeat your question.
Okay, so again, my question is, do you think it is important to preserve traditional cooking methods?
Um, in my opinion, I think cooking is important because it help you For this cooking helps you um have you know material
Mm-hmm.
material in your lunch. Um, for example, when you cooking, you must in the first step you must buy um, material, and you know exactly uh, um, volume material, vo- uh,
Mm-hmm.
volume vitamin,
Uh-huh.
water, yeah, in your meal. Um, Secondly, cooking is help you relaxing. Cooking sometimes help you relaxing heart and mind due after working high pressure.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, thank you. So next question here, Uyen. On what occasions do people in your country usually eat traditional food?
Um. Uh. Um. Nowadays, my country are more and more development. Um, Tourists. So
Mm-hmm.
I think I think in the tour in the tour have um have traditional foods in menu for each meal. Have tourists have more experiences uh, about traditional foods. Uh, Vietnam will have traditional food expand people now. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yes, thank you. So this time, let's move on to our second topic, Uyen. So let's talk about learning English. Okay, so for learning English, how long have you been learning English, Uyen?
Um, English is one of uh okay. Mm, s- English is one of language no more that people must have in their life.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I I think English is important. So, when I have a free time, I often learn English.
Mm-hmm.
The uh, in a week two, I often arrange two from 2 to 3 days in the evening. In the weekend, I learn
Mm-hmm.
uh, a small uh, a small verb English for development my skill. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yes, thank you. So next question here, Uyen, is um what do you find most difficult about learning English?
Um, mm, uh, Now that I have many school teach English, but it's have some difficult. The first Firstly, I think um, difficult in English is finance about study as school highs. So some people don't have easily to go to school learn English because it don't have it's have a difficult uh to study. It's have difficult finding to study. For
Mm-hmm.
example, the student in university often must have uh, English for graduate university, but you student in high school often uh, go to work in part time, so they don't have too much money for learn English in uh in school
Mm-hmm.
in school, yeah. And
Okay, yes.
secondly, the difficult is talk. Some people is talking about English. People people together. Some people are um, early about talking English
Mm-hmm.
because they scare
Mm-hmm.
their will talk wrong, so
Uh-huh.
they don't early about that it is about English, so it is this so is they don't talk English not well, and I think it's a one of difficult person people in Vietnam.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Constantly, I think difficult, high, um, uh, too difficult, pick, to pick difficult, to make it difficult is finance for study, for person, for people to go to school, study English and, uh, um, confident talking
Mm-hmm.
English which together.
Okay, yes. Thank you. So, yeah, so that's a four. This question. And lastly, for part one, or Uyen, is why is English so important for your career?
Uh, um, now nowadays almost most most almost biscuit company
Mm-hmm.
require English when you interview, so and among you working in company you must have English, so I think it's a reason, a big
Mm-hmm.
reason you want a reason English is important. For example,
Okay.
when you have um when you have uh, working in finance,
Mm-hmm.
almost um character information and um talking with partner often is English. So if you don't have English good, you may be difficult in working, in among working. Yeah, and it may be limit your development uh
Mm-hmm.
company in opportunity your future.
Okay, yes. Thank you. Okay, so here, Uyen, let's talk about your answers. So please wait, let me share my screen. So I have here like the questions that we had for part one, Uyen. Okay. Yes, there you go. So for our part one questions here, Uyen, we actually have the two topics. Okay, so for the first topic, so please wait. So for the first topic, of course, we actually had the topic about traditional food. Okay, and then it's followed by another information related to yeah, like the learning English. Okay, so let's discuss about this one, Uyen. So first, let's have part one. Okay, and then our questions are these. Let's have the topic about traditional food first. Okay, so our first topic is all about traditional food, and these are our questions. Okay, so what is a traditional food that you like? Followed by the other questions. Okay, so let's talk about these things here then, Uyen. Okay, so for your answers earlier, Uyen, I noted down here, like for part one. Okay, so you mentioned about like the noodle soup, which is correct. Okay, and also you mentioned about you always eat noodle soup in breakfast, so that's good. Okay, so in this case, Uyen, so no problem with number one. You actually did well here. So let's move on to number two, Uyen. For number two, there's just like some vocabulary that I want you to learn, Uyen. Okay, so first one is let's talk about what was the question all about. So here, Uyen, the question was all about is it important? Okay, important to preserve traditional cooking methods. Because when we say like cooking methods, nowadays we have, for example, instead of frying food, we can use air fryer. This one. So there are so many things that we can already use these days. So we can use like air fryer. So that means we can cook food with less oil. Okay. So, or for example, we can use like oven to cook the food. So it feels like nowadays it's okay not to cook traditionally. Okay. So that's why like here I also want to add this vocabulary, Uyen, so that you can visualize it well. Okay. So wait, it's in here. This one, Uyan. So this is what we mean by traditional cooking method. And then in addition to this one, I also want you to learn this word, Uyan, about the word ingredients. Okay,
Ingredient.
so that yeah, so that next time when we answer the question, so when we talk about like the because earlier you used the word material, Uyen. So instead of using the word material, let's use the word ingredients instead.
Yeah,
Okay, so if it's all about food, then we use ingredients. If it's talking about like items, like things that you have to make, something like that. So we use the word materials. But for cooking, let's use the word ingredients. Okay, and then here you just have to explain why traditional cooking method is important. So for example, Uyen, you can say like the we can say like we can keep the taste of the food. So that's one. So traditional traditional cooking methods can keep the original taste of food. So that means like what is the original taste of food? We can keep it by using or by having this traditional cooking method.
Yeah.
Okay? Mm-mm. Okay, yes. So next one, let's move on to the last question. So last question here, on what occasions? So here I also want to highlight about this one. Okay, so on what occasions do people in your country usually eat traditional food? So here, Uyen, a few things, because earlier you mentioned about foreigners, like tourists coming to Vietnam. So take note, the question here talks about Vietnamese people. So when do Vietnamese people eat traditional food, Uyen? Can you tell me, Uyen?
About uh people in Vietnam often traditional foods in uh during tests.
There you go. Yes, exactly. So in that case, that is like one thing there that you can answer. Okay, so when we talk about like a time when or occasion when people eat traditional food, so you can use the word, yeah, like you can use the occasion about Tet holiday. And then also like, Uyen, by the way, Tet holiday, is it the same with Mid-Autumn Festival?
Yeah,
Are they the same? Okay,
yeah.
yeah. So in that case, yeah, that's one thing. So you can just explain about this one or what other occasions, Uyan?
It's often in a new year.
New Year.
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Okay, yeah. So yeah, that's one. Or we can say like also you can think about like maybe special events in Vietnam. So you can talk about these things, Uyan. Okay, so that's for topic number one. So talking about the traditional food in your country. Next one, let's move on to topic two, Uyan. So our topic two here, let me write it down. Okay, here. So our topic two is all about learning English this time. Okay, so here, Uyen, actually, you have good answers here, Uyen. But let's try to be let's answer the questions first directly. Okay, so that's my note here. I will write some notes. So for the comments here, Uyen. So wait, I'll write it down in this side. So my comments here, Uyen, is that your ideas are good. We're good, but um try to answer the questions directly. So this is the word here. Directly first. Okay, so for number two, you can add extra ideas later. So
Okay.
let's say, for example, Uyan, question number one. So how long have you been learning English? So how long have you been learning English, Uyan? This means that how many years have you been learning English? Okay. So for example, you can say it this way. So yeah, let's try that one, Uyan. How long have you been learning English?
I I have been in 6 year,
For six
uh,
years. Mm-hmm.
year, and I yeah,
Okay,
yes.
yeah. Yeah, that's a good start, Uyen. So, but we can add the answers that you had earlier. So, for example, we can say, I have been learning English for 6 years. So you start with this one. This is very important. And then you can add your details, Uyen. So for example, you said earlier, like, um, nowadays, I try to study 2 to 3 times a week, each night, to learn
Okay.
English.
Oh, 6 years.
Yeah, to learn English. On weekends. So here on weekends, you mentioned about like learning grammar. So you can say on weekends, I study grammar by myself, by myself, okay, to develop my skill. So yeah, you can put it this way, Uyan. But take note, Uyan, the most important answer here is about I have been learning English for 6 years. Okay, because again, we're asking about how long have you been learning English. So to support that one, you can, or the best way is you start with how long did you study English? It's for 6 years. Then followed by what do you do to study now? Okay. So yes, that's for this part here, Uyen. Now this time, let's talk about number two. Okay, number two is okay. I think your answers here are long and at the same time they're good. Those are actually the most common reasons why people or why people are find it hard to learn about English. Okay, and lastly is we have lastly is we have about why is English important for your career? Okay, so here I think like it's also good. Uyen. So you mentioned about like nowadays most companies they interview in English. That's correct. And then also you mentioned about development in your opportunity. That's also good, Uyen. Okay, so yes, no problem here, Uyen. Thank you. So okay, any questions here, Uyen?
No.
No questions. Okay, so if you got no questions, Uyen, then yeah, let me just save the notes here. And then let's proceed with part two. Okay. So for part two, Uyen, do you have a copy of the topic for part two? Do you have the copy for part two?
Yeah, I
Okay,
have.
can you read the topic first? Let's read the
Yeah.
topic first. Please read.
Okay. Uh, topic two. Uh, topic two. Uh, you have yep. Topic two in TED three or TED three or TED two.
This one, Uyen, I sent it in the chat.
Yeah,
Because Miss Jolie sent me this material. Let's try to use this one. So
yeah,
topic, did you see in the chat?
yeah,
Okay, yeah. So topic two here, it says that a friend is coming. Can you read it for me, Ian?
yeah. Uh, okay. Uh, topic two. Um,
Mm.
mm, yeah, let me
Okay, wait. Let me send it so that you don't get confused. And
mm,
so here, let's use this one,
okay,
the
thank
second one.
yeah. And it's 1 minute for repeat topic
Yes,
two.
yes, yes. So it's in the chat, Uyen. So our topic is You have or a friend is coming to visit you this weekend, and you are deciding where to eat. So there are three options. You cook at home, go to a fast food restaurant, or eat at a local traditional restaurant. Okay, so you need to think about which one is the best choice. Uyen, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, I'll be giving you a minute, Uyen, and your 1 minute starts now. Okay, time is up, Uyen. So this time, Uyen, you got 3 to 4 minutes to talk about your answers. Okay, so your timer starts now, Uyen.
Okay. I think I will choose um um I think as will to eating as a local traditional restaurant
Mhm.
because I have some advantage when eating uh when go out eating and it's in traditional local traditional restaurant. Firstly, it go out for in the first reason I choose because when we go out eating in local go out eating it's have it's have we saving time and it's we will have more time for more activity sit in my city. That's about and I can use uh time limited for my friend time out go out and experiences many activity in my city. For example, is my city have Đức Bà Chucks coffee local. Yeah.
Mhm.
And the second reason uh and the second reason I choose uh eating as local traditional food restaurants because I believe that in this restaurant have uh flavor traditional
Mhm.
cooking. Yeah. uh and my friend have experiences cooking is experiences uh traditional foods is my city.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh.
Um, and among eating in restaurant, we have more free time to talk together and sharing my about life myself. Yeah. Um, and I think it's a uh I think eating at traditional restaurant is better than fast food restaurants because fast food is not is special restaurant, and I think it's in it city also have fast foods. Yeah. And sometimes fast food is not good for healthy. So I don't like fast food restaurant. And if has more time, we I also choose cooking at home with my friends because it's a also um activity fun is. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yes, thank you. Time is up.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so this time, Uyen, we are going to discuss about your answer. So actually, Uyen, I like your answer personally, but let's try to talk about how you can improve them, Uyen. Okay, so first things first, Uyen. Wait, I will. Um, yeah, I will. Write down here the topic first. So again, our topic is about, or we will be discussing about part two, which is all about, yeah, your friend is coming to your place. Okay.
Yeah.
So, wait. Okay, please wait. So let's type here part two, and our topic is this one. So again, our situation, Uyen, was all about your friend is coming to your place, and you got like three options here. So again, cooking at home, we have going to fast food, and the third one is eating at the local restaurant. So you chose earlier, Uyen, about um eating at a local restaurant. Okay, so actually, Uyen, you have a very good answer here, Uyen. Okay, I just have like a few comments, Uyen, on how we can develop on this one. Okay, so for my comments here, Uyen, is let's start with number one. Here, Uyen, you need to be more, or let's say, like, be more familiar with the grammar.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is very important. So actually, Uyan, when you speak earlier about your answer, you can actually be understood well. I mean, like, it's actually easy to understand your thoughts. Okay. So actually, I don't have problems with understanding. So here, no problems with, but no problems on understanding the content. Okay. But to improve your speaking skills, then yeah, try to work on the grammar. So that's number one here. And then how do we work on with this one, Uyan? So you can start by describing, for example, about the word formation, Uyan. So let's start with word formation. So let's say, for example, let's say like the words have different forms. So noun, verb, or adjective. So you need to know, Uyen, when to use these words. Okay, so that's number one. Be familiar with the grammar. Okay, and then also we have the of course like the um subject verb no, not the subject verb agreement, but about like the sentence structures. Okay, so talking about simple, compound, and complex structures. So you have to familiarize them as well, Uyan. So that's number one. So be familiar with grammar. Next, let's move on to number two. So for number two here, Uyen, is I want to highlight about, okay. So for number two, Uyen, is I want to highlight about grouping of ideas. So grouping of ideas. So what do I mean by grouping of ideas, Uyen? So this means like for example, earlier you said like in your answers earlier you said like your first reason was so reason one, you mentioned about saving time. Reason one, so we can say like save good time management, maybe we can use this one, good time management, because you mentioned like for example you said earlier that let's say like you don't need to prepare food, or you don't need time to prepare food, which is good. Also you don't you can spend, so you can spend your time to visit around your city. So that's good also, Uyen. Okay, so visit around your city. So this is actually good, Uyen, for reason one. And then your reason two earlier, Uyen, was the taste or traditional taste of food. Very good. So here, traditional taste of food. So here, Uyen, when you talk about traditional taste of food, Uyen, so just focus with the food. Okay, because earlier you mentioned about like after you mentioned about the flavor of the traditional cooking is in the food, so that's good. And then after that you said about more free time talking about your life and your friend's life. So it will go back to number one. Okay, so I think for number one you can say about catching up each other's life. So you can add that one in number one, Uyen. So let's think about how can we answer then for number two or for the second idea. So for the second idea, Uyen, you can actually say it this way. Like, for example, you can actually add here like, what is a what is popular in your city? So let's say, for example, your city is popular for fried food, or for example, your city is popular for spicy food. So in this case, you can add this one as your part of the details, Uyen.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is popular in your city? And then you can also talk about what is special about the food in your city. Okay. So that is like how we can describe this one, Uyen. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So that is, let's say, like one way that we can do to solve this problem here, Uyen, or to improve Uyen. Because again, your answers are already good, but to make it even better, Uyen, so let's try to organize them better as well. Okay. Yes. So questions about this one, Uyen?
No. Stressful. Okay.
No
I
questions.
know what should.
Okay, yes. So if you got no questions, Uyen, then yeah, let's save this note
Uh,
and let's
uh,
move on. Yeah.
in part two, I need
Yes.
uh if if uh if have three choice. I
Yes.
want I just need try, but I need compare uh um my choice with two
The two
choice.
options. Ah, okay. Okay, that's a good question, Uyen. So actually here, that's good. So for part two, we have to remember, wait, I'll write it down at the bottom. So here, Uyen, when we answer for part two, so number one that you have to do is just choose one option. Okay, so that's the first thing. So we do it well, or you do it well, Uyen. And then for the second one, Uyen, is just compare with only one. So compare with only one of the other choices. Okay, so you don't need to talk about like the two choices, Uyan, just one. Okay, so you can just pay, like, for example, in this topic, we have, for example, this topic, we got cooking at home or going to fast food restaurant. So let's say, for example, you choose eating at a local or traditional restaurant. So that's good. And then let's say, for example, you chose to compare it with fast food. So maybe you can say like the flavor of fast food is the same, maybe with her city to my city. So it's not a good option. Or for example, if you want to compare it with, you can also choose to compare it with about cooking at home. So it's also fine. So you can discuss more about the time. So you need to buy ingredients. You need to do let's say like prepare more, spend more time in cooking, something like that. Okay. Yes. So yeah, that's just it, Uyen. Okay. So anyway, yeah, that's for part two here. Okay, so this time let's move on to part three. So let me turn the screen off first, and then let's move on to our part three then. So for part three, this is actually like the topic here, Uyan. Mm, okay, here. So I will send it to you in the chat. Okay. So in the chat, Uyan, you have here this topic. Okay, so which is all about potential disadvantages of doing regular physical exercise. So that means if you always exercise, Uyen, we're talking about the disadvantages of it. So take note about the bad side of consistent exercise. Okay. So this time, Uyen, I'll be giving you 1 minute, and then later you will answer like for 2 to 3 minutes using the notes here. So you have like first reason or first disadvantage, time consuming. So it spends a lot of time. Number two, financial cost. So you have to spend more money for regular physical exercise. Number three, risk of injuries. So that means like maybe you'll get hurt in the process of constant exercise. Okay, and then of course the fourth one here, Uyen, you can think of alternative. Okay, but again, focus on the topic first. This will be your topic for 2 to 3 minutes. And then, yeah, you will have 1 minute preparation time. Later, we will answer the follow-up questions. Okay, so your 1 minute, Uyen, starts now.
Mm. Time consuming.
Okay, so time is up, Uyen. So again, just highlight, Uyen, about the negative sides of exercising regularly. Okay, so again, you got 2 to 3 minutes to discuss about your answers, Uyen, and your timer starts now.
Okay. Um, um, I today I'm going to today I'm going to discuss about disadvantage of doing regular physical exercise. Um, uh, so, um, uh, regular exercise regular exercise have some disadvantages like time consuming financial costs, risk of interest, um mm, and mm, and unhealthy if you don't have right way right ways for try to physical exercise. um mm, first of all um what's uh, first of all, time consuming is take away time from work or study. Um, because when you want physical exercise, you want uh, must have a period time, days by day, e try exercise. um And the second reason is financial cost. Nowadays gym gym
Mm.
are um are in gym uh, often have gym membership, gym member trainer, gym member gear is attractive um, more customer. So it's a uh if you don't have buy a combo, you may can dress for a lot for a bigger cost than a combo. So many people often um, voice card for combo like gym
Mm-hmm.
member and gym trainer. And if you don't have um if you don't show a range time go to gym, you may be quite uh financial card for a gym member or gym trainer.
Mm-hmm.
um um Moreover, risk of interest is dangerous. If you don't have trainer in physical exercise, you maybe can interest um among you try among you
Mm-hmm.
try um and it's for example, if you don't if you for example if you don't have uh if you don't have a trainer, you might be possibility of muscle strain or serious accidents. Uh, if you don't safety, if you
Uh-huh.
don't
Okay, yes,
have,
time is up. Oyen, thank you.
yeah,
Okay, so here, Oyen. Okay, wait. Let's talk about this one, Oyen, because I think we can actually find better ways to improve on your answer. So that was actually like a good start point there, Uyen. Like you try to also include like the extra notes from
yeah.
the topic, which is good. Okay, so let's talk about how do we improve that one better than Uyen. Okay, so let's start first with our notes here. So we have part three, and our topic is all about this one. Wait, let me copy it. So this is our topic here, Uyen. So first, let's talk about your general answers. This one first, Uyen, and then later we will ask about the follow-up questions. Okay. So for this one, Uyen, again, our topic is all about potential disadvantages of doing regular exercise. Okay, and then you got here some suggested ideas, Uyen. So you have time consuming, okay, and then you have financial cost and risk of injuries. So let's talk about how you can develop them one by one, Uyen. Okay, so here let's start with time consuming, Uyen. So for time consuming, you can talk about how busy people can be, Uyen. So you can talk about like, for example, let's say like for working people. So we can say that they have, wait, you can categorize here, Uyan, because there's work and study. So you can say like for working people, so working people, then we can say like they may not have, so not enough time to get some rest. So of course they have stress from work or stress from their extra work, something like that. Or for example, let's say like sometimes overtime work is important or overtime work is necessary. So again, it will go back to the resting time here, Uyen. So next one, we have about the students this time. So for students, we can say like it could be a distraction. So could distract students from focusing on, sorry, from focusing on study academics only. So you can just focus about these things, Uyan, and then finish for time consuming. Okay. Next one for financial cost, Uyan. Okay, I like your answer for financial cost. You mentioned about gym memberships. Okay, that's good. I just want you to also talk a little about the other things, Uyan. Like, for example, talking about the gear equipments. So let's say about like the clothes or okay, trainers, you mentioned it. So for example, you can say like, or we can just discuss about gym attire. Like, what is your clothes when you play or when you go to the gym? Oh, yeah. So clothes that talks about the shoes, and of course, like talking about the gym bag that you have to bring, Uyen, when you go to the gym. Okay. And then also, so risk of injury. So I think you mentioned this one well, but let's practice pronunciation first, Uyen. Can you read this word one more time? Muscle. Can you say it? Muscle.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you
Muscle.
pronounce? Yeah, one more time. Muscle.
Muscle.
Okay, next one. Serious accidents.
Serious accident.
Okay, yes. And then next one, risk.
Risk.
Okay, yes, thank you. So please, just remember, to pronounce these words, clearly, Uyen. Okay, and then actually on my notes here, you were able to give good answers for each one, Uyen. But just one final thing is talking about my comments, Uyen, will be more about oh, sorry. So comments. So I want you to highlight about like avoid pausing too much, Uyen. So pausing too much. Okay, so I think pauses are normal. So it's okay if you stop a little from time to time, but if you pause for a long time, Uyan, it's not good because take note for part 3, you have 2 to 3 minutes to talk. So if you stop or if you pause, it does not stop the examiner's timer. So please try to speak maybe not really fast, but try to speak continuously. Okay? Yes. So yeah, that's for our notes for part 3 then. So questions, Uyen?
Yeah.
No questions. Okay, so anyway, since it's already time, Uyen, so I think let's just discuss about the follow-up questions in our next class. So the important thing is we covered discussing the feedback first. Okay? Yes. Okay, so that's all for today then, Uyen. So I'll see you then in our next class. Bye bye. Mm-hmm.